I'm an electrical and mechanical engineer with over 50 years experience. I have tested and published thousands of video reviews of great products. I was provided with a product sample to test. This will not affect my opinion about the product. Watch the entire video till the end to see my product rating. Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Wipex brand, their large wet floor wipes for squeegee stick, Cuban mop, or sweeping mop. Just about any mop this will work with. It's plant-based multi-surface cleaning wipes. It's a lavender scent. They're huge, disposable. They're 24 to 14 inches, extra thick. This is a 12 count. You can get different sizes on Amazon. These get great customer ratings. So we're going to open this up and take a look at what's inside here. The lavender actually smells really, really good. So let's take one of these out and let's close it up. Wow, that smells really good. So you can see it has an opening for the mop stick or rod, and then it's kind of lays nice and flat, allowing you to put it on and mop your floor. Now this is a really smooth material, so it's totally floor safe. It's not going to do any damage. So let's give this a try. So here it's on my mop head, and now we're going to give it a try on my floor. So you can really see how oversized it is, and you could kind of flap it like this and go this direction, or flap it the other way and go forward. But what it's doing, it's got a large surface area, and it's just cleaning. And the lavender scent is just really amazing. It smells really good. And then once you've done your whole floor, you could just toss this in the garbage and you're all set. Very nice.